Want a second phone number on your iPhone? Here's how to get a new Google Voice number easily. Google Voice is useful for privacy, business calls, and separating personal conversations from work. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone device. Search for the Google Voice app and install it on your phone. Once the app finishes downloading, open Google Voice to begin setup. Sign in using your Google account information on the iPhone screen. After logging in, the Google Voice setup page should appear automatically. Tap Continue to start choosing your brand new Google Voice phone number. You'll now see a search option for city names or area codes. Enter your preferred area code to find available phone numbers nearby. Google Voice will display a list of available phone numbers instantly. Scroll through the options and pick the number you like best. Once selected, tap the Claim button to reserve that phone number. Google Voice now needs to verify your existing mobile phone number. Enter your real mobile number carefully inside the verification section. A verification code should arrive through a text message on your iPhone. Type the code into the Google Voice app to confirm your identity. The app will now process your setup and activate the new number. After activation, your new Google Voice number is ready to use. You can now view the number directly inside your Google Voice profile. Try making a quick test call using your new Google Voice account. The call should connect normally using the new Google Voice number. You can also send and receive text messages inside the app easily. Google Voice works over Wi-Fi or mobile data on your iPhone device. Enable notifications so you never miss incoming calls or messages later. Many people use Google Voice for online accounts and business communication safely. A second number can also help reduce spam calls on your main line. Always keep your Google account secure with a strong password and verification enabled. And that's how to get a new Google Voice number on an iPhone easily.